Hello, everyone. Last week, Hurricane Laura left a path of destruction throughout Louisiana and Southeast Texas, impacting thousands of lives across the region. As families who evacuated the Lake Charles, Louisiana area ahead of the storm returned to their homes, many were left without access to power or running water and have damage to their homes. To support the neighboring community, our Houston team jumped in to help our customers and associates who were impacted by the storms. On Sunday, a caravan of 12 semis carrying water and food, plus our mobile pharmacy, arrived at the Lake Charles store, where our associates and volunteers handed out ice and water to first responders and those in need. We also provided shower and wash stations in our parking lot for the public to use. I am so proud of our Houston team, who are working hard to help our communities and each other when they need it the most. A huge thank you to our entire Houston team. This weekend also marks the unofficial end of summer, as many celebrate Labor Day. Whether you're hosting a socially distant gathering outside or a special meal with your family, we have the fresh food and essentials you need. Don't forget to please wear your mask when you're out and about and shopping with us in store. Whether you shop online or using our pickup or delivery service to get everything you need. As always, I want to thank all of our associates for all of their hard work, now and every day, and for helping create a safe shopping environment and making occasions, both big and small, special for our customers. I am so proud of our team and the amazing work they do every day to be there for our customers, communities, and each other. Thank you.